Some more experimentation. I wrote a simple program to generate some of these spirograph hypocycloid whatever patterns, and it seems to be more or less working okay. I don't know whether I could go faster or slower or whatever. The pressure still seems to be a bit much. I'm probably driving it into the plate just a little hard, but it works pretty well. I generated one that was not quite on the surface of the paper. I got to work up some checklist things to make sure that I center things better, but yeah, it seems to be working okay, and let that finish. These pens that I'm using are actually just cheap roller gel pens that I got from Daiso. They're like a 6-pack for $1.25 or $1.50 or something, so I don't feel too bad about mangling those. By the end of the week I should have some actual carving bits and stuff in, and I'll be testing this on some foam and doing some other kinds of carving. But yeah, it's not too bad. We should be coming up on the end here. Yep, and then we're done. Anyway, having fun.